So this leaves us with one question. Which is safer? Riding on the track? Or riding on the street? With the fastest and most advanced sport bikes readily available, riders tend to take their need for speed to the track and tap into the potential power of their machines as well as their own capabilities. For those who aren't ready to take the leap of faith on their own at the track, that's where special rider training programs such as the California Superbike School come into play.
I would say track's a lot safer because everyone's going in the same direction. You have people out there with flags to warn you of anything that could be potentially dangerous. You've got far fewer things to hit, a lot of runoff. We've got quite a few advantages, I think, really from someone going out on the track, usually at our school, obviously, sometimes at track days, let's say. Riders will have something in mind that they're working on, and they're not necessarily just going out to get into trouble or to see what kind of trouble they can get into. It's usually a focused period of time. They've got really all their attention on what they're doing, and if you look at a rider on the street, he might have 70% of his attention on traffic and other hazards and 30% on his actual riding. On the track, you can pretty much devote 100% of your attention to your riding, and that alone would make it safer.